Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is SDNShield, that is NFV-based defense framework against DDoS attack on SDN control plane. Now we are going to see the project abstract. In our proposed DDoS defense mechanism named CoFence, which facilitates the domain collaboration network among NFV-based domain network. CoFence is also domain network to help each other in handling large volume of DDoS attack through resourcing sharing. Specifically, we design a dynamic resource allocation mechanism for domains so that the resource allocation is fair, efficient, and incentive compatible. Resource sharing mechanism is modeled as a multi-leader follower where all domains have degree of control to maximize their own utility. The resource applied domain determine the amount of resource to each requesting peer based on optimization a reciprocal-based utility function. So in this, a honeypot is mainly used to detect the intruder. It identify all the malicious activities performed over the internet. Now we are going to see the flow of the process. So now here there will be the two participants are there. One is admin and client. So admin will log in and load the URL address, then create enough server creation, server allocation, and then they create the node for transferring the file. So then calculating the traveling transformation, and then you have to create the firewall creation process. So in creating the firewall process, the client will log in and search domain for in a search engine. So the request will be come to the firewall, and then the response will be get to the client and check the domain result if there will be anything or not. So then intrusion detection will be a load data, find abnormal event. So then classification will be classify the normal event, abnormal event. Normal event is under the regular system, and abnormal event is under the honeypot system. Now we are going to see the running procedure of the project. So first you have to run index.java file. Right click and run file. So here the admin So now we are going to choose the URL address, dataset, just then go next. So here you have to load the data and display. So this is the domain and this is the IP of the websites. Then go next. So here you are going to set the create a NFV servers. So here there will be the port number will be 3444. Gateway will be 3001. Number of 5. Number of network 300. So start time source node is 98 and destination node is 58. So then got to click the NFV creation, the network function virtualization creator. So then go next. So here there will be the server. You have to set the level of the server. The server will be allocated successfully. Then go next. Here we are getting the node. Set the node. So node traveling path. This is the node traveling path. So node name and traveling distance is this. So firewall creation, firewall name is admin, port number, firewall IP, that now. Start process. Go next. So before that you have to go to the client login. So we have to right click the client.java and run file. So here the user login. So you have to search anything. Search. So here you have to receive your request. So successful. So respond to user. Then go and receive it. It shows the 404 server not found. So then here you have to browse the data set. So here we are going to find the intrusion detection. So dataset loaded successfully. So then go next here, pre-processing. Classify events. So then next you report active attacks. Total number of advantages from those normal event is 35,114 and abnormal event 2,950. Then passive attack is going here. Next, then here we have to view the report of normal events and abnormal events. So here you have to send to the move regular system and then move the honeypot. Redirect successful and view honeypot is here and generate a report. This is the final result of it. So thank you for watching this video.